Hello there, Sir EJ here. In this video, I will be showing you Google Chat or GChat. GChat is an online messaging app similar to Facebook Messenger and iMessage. It is the application developed by Google to be used as its own messaging platform. To get to Google Chat, simply log into google.com with your school Google Workspace email address. After logging in, click on the Google App drawer on the right side of the browser. Then, click on GChat. If you are not seeing GChat in the drawer, you can simply type in the URL on the address bar. Type in chat.google.com. After doing this, you will be able to see the interface of GChat. You should see on the left side Chat and Rooms. Chat is where you will see all the people you chat with. Rooms is the group chat in GChat. There's also an option to create a Google meeting directly on Chat. We encourage learners to pin their advisory and subject chat rooms. This will make it easier to access and see updates right away. Now this is how you'll pin a room in GChat. Click on the three dots beside the room. Then click on Pin. Up top is the search bar for GChat. You can search there the people or the rooms you want to chat with for school matters. Make sure that when you correspond with a teacher or school employee, that respectful language is used. Pupils can use this application to discuss group works or to socialize with one another in the safe space. Next is the setting for the chat or rooms. You can view the members and even start a new chat in this setting. This also has the option to start a conversation or silent notifications. However, the school does not encourage its learners to create multiple chat rooms with classmates, as this may distract others in class or be misused. Since these chat rooms cannot be supervised by the teachers unless added as a group member. At the center, you will see the chat of your highlighted chat. Down below is where you can type in your message. You can send emojis, upload files, insert a file from Google Drive, and even create a Google Meet video call. For safety reasons, students cannot create a Google meeting on their own. To receive instant reminders and messages from the administration, please be sure to accept the school's invitation in your Gmail to join the BDS Community Announcements GChat Portal. If you are not a member yet, please do let us know so we can add you. A friendly reminder, do not spam or chat in this portal, since important announcements may be overlooked. Also note that disciplinary actions may apply to those who use this application for threatening or malicious intent. We highly recommend parents and pupils to have the GChat app on their phones and tablets to instantly see notifications. That's about it. You now know the basics in Google Chat. Feel free to explore the other Google applications on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from the Danube School IT department. Thank you and have a great day.